Here's how to create this whip pan transition in Premiere Pro. Go to your project panel and right-click, select New Item, then Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and drag it above to clips on the timeline. Now go to Effects and search for both Offset and Gaussian Blur. Add both effects to your adjustment layer. Move your timeline slider so it's perfectly between your two clips, then move back 5 frames. Go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for both Shift Center 2 and Blurriness. Modify blur dimensions to horizontal. Move ahead 10 frames and modify Shift Center to native 960. Create another keyframe for blurriness by clicking here. Now move your timeline slider back to the center and modify blurriness to 300. Highlight all your keyframes and right-click. Select Tempo Interpolation and choose Bezier. Now expand Shift Center and highlight the left keyframe. Drag it down and to the right slightly. Do the same for the other side in the opposite direction.